Hey YouTube, Mike here. Yes, I am alive, and I had the surgery. I don't know if you can see it. My white pantyhose and my black anti-slip socks. It's been, oh, by the way, happy 4th of July. It's been a week and a day now. I had it last Monday, the 26th. 2 days after I got back from my 6-day cruise my wife took me on for my birthday. We had a great time, very relaxing. Yeah, the surgery was in my head, but you know, not to know what to expect. But it all went well. Yes, there is quite a bit of pain, but you know, I'm bearing through it. I got another week. Got to see the doctor. He's going to take off the bandage and see what it is. I know they glued it with some super glue, so we'll see how that is. It seems to be fine. I had these like electrical shocks, I guess from the nerve shooting into me, but that went away. It's just swollen. It's gone down. The exercises are pretty easy now. They were quite horrible. Bicycle, leg, like calf, like almost like calf raises and leg lifts and sliding your leg. And my wife's got to help me, and sometimes she's not very happy doing it because, you know, I'm in pain and it's hard for her to push or pull the leg, and I'm just like, do it, just get it over with. But it's working. Hopefully when it's all done, I'll be better. I won't be in constant pain. So yep, so I got it done, and then the next one will get done next year sometime. And right now I'm home. I'm home every day. My wife just went out to take my son with my daughters. They're going to a party. I was just gonna hang out here, my wife and I. And while she's gone, I figured let me sneak a quick video in, let you all know that I'm alive. So I don't know, in the interim, I sold my Tundra, and I bought a smaller Tacoma. I'll show you in the video. I don't want to open the door right now. It's quite cool in here. I had the AC on for a while. But yeah, that was my birthday present. I wanted a smaller truck. I wasn't towing anymore, even though I can tow with this one if I need to. And I've got tons of tools. A lot of this stuff is stuff that I wasn't able to put up, like new lights on the garage, a camera on the side of the house. But I got a lot of stuff for the truck, like a tool roll. What did I get?
Mom.
Oh, look at this. Hold on, let me just shut this off a second. Oh God, I got, why can't I remember? It's the drugs, the painkillers. Yeah, I'll remember it. I got this like Over Armor for like the window and around the console, the shifter, the cup holders. Can't remember. Yeah, all aftermarket stuff to add to the truck. Got a tonneau cover. My wife got me the bull bar with the light, with the LED light inside of it. I got the window, the nose guard. That's all I'm really doing with it. I got whatchamacallit, Molly system. It's a metal Molly system for the bed of the truck to support stuff too, like so boxes don't slide around. Got a new bed mat, tailgate mat. That's all coming. Nothing I could do. I just sit here. I can answer phones, and if I have to, I can FaceTime my son and work her. But so far, that's been going good. I haven't been at work now this is the 3rd week, which is killing me. My future son-in-law, they finally moved into the house with my oldest daughter. He came by yesterday to split some 2x4, and I couldn't help him. My son helped him. I just showed him how to use the machinery and lent him some stuff, and I wish I can go there and help him, but I can't. You know, it's the second daughter that's moving into a home, and I feel terrible that I can't go there and help. Do anything, do the closets. You know, they want to rearrange. He's he's a car guy, and he motorcycle, and he wants to set up the garage like mine, and you know, he's biting at the bit to do it. He's getting stuff, and he's calling me, and where should I put this? Where should I put that? And it's like eating me because I can't go over there. So yeah, I mean, I fiddled with the bit of leather and stuff, and bought a press to press out leather, and I got the new M18 charging system, that 4-battery power supply, and I got that grinder. Oh God, I got so many tools I bought, but I'll be futzing with them and playing with them and all. And I don't know, I bought I bought new these. They're actually they're shackles, but they're made out of they're the stretch rope. So instead of having metal shackles, I picked up one of these. And see, I mean, I live in Florida. Florida's flat. There's no like big hills or trails or stuff like that. King's Pro synthetic shackle. It's good for 35,000 pounds. It's just gonna sit in my toolbox. I don't know. It looked good. I bought it. It came with something else. I think it came with it came with a roller. Aluminum roller. I'm not doing no overlanding. I would love to. My wife will never go. You know, she'll never do it. She's used it. She's driven the truck. She never drove my my Tundra. She never drove it. But this one she'll drive because there's no cap on it. So yeah, that's about it. Just sitting home and catching up on paperwork and stuff like that, and that's it. So, but I'll be back soon. I just want to do this video, let you know I'm alive, and I got this thing done. And yeah, I mean, if you need it, you got to get it done. Just do it. Just do it. 2 weeks, the pain will be there. I mean, look, I'm walking. I could stand. I can walk without the walker. It's just more like, you know, for stabilization. Look how I set up the walker. I set up the walker with a dump pouch. I keep a pad, pen, stylus, then a camera, military camera case. It's actually a lens case. That's where I put my water bottle. And then I got my phone in this one. And then if I have to put key or something on that, it folds up nice. I've been going to the doctor with it, the physical therapist with it. Yeah, I started physical therapy, which is going good. I'm about 3/4 of the way there for movement of the knee. Just having cigars with my wife outside, and still watching my weight, and lost a considerable amount of weight. But that's good. That's good. I feel better. Less weight off the knees, right? So, all right, guys. The first thing I got to do is finish that live edge table. And then like I said, I got a ton of tools. I got a ton of builds I got to do. I got a couple of things I got to do for my bolt orders for the houses. I'll do them as a build. All right, YouTube. So I'm alive. I'm still here. I'll be back. I'm not quitting. As soon as this thing I get the okay, I could use machinery and stuff. I'll be back building and showing. All right. Thanks for all the support, and thank you for everything that you do for the channels. Love you guys. Alrighty. I'll talk to you later. Have a happy and a safe 4th of July. Bye-bye now. I used to get here quicker.